feeling that you can't do any better.
Don't pull your legs.
Sometimes we do. We get that feeling that
Otherwise, you're gonna be hurt.
gotta get about it. We go.
So don't pull your legs.
And then we get scared. Start to feel like this. No escape.
Okay.
Confused. Not know what's real and what's not real.
Cannot see.
And it's
Sorry.
something
Naman na. Naman na. Because I said not to pull your legs. It's hurt. Ano man na? Ay. I said not to pull your legs. That's what happened. Naman na. Galit. No more that noise, Taki. Let me see though. It didn't hurt you though. Not to pull your legs.